There's a fish.
No.
You got it? Yeah. Right here. It's a walleye! Oh my god! Sole, what's the...
Oh my god!
Wow! Wow! What's going on, guys? 5 o'clock in the morning. We're in Windsor. Super excited, also super tired. But today's the day I've been waiting for a very long time. First fishing trip of the season. And today we are fishing the Detroit River. Never done this before. This is the first time we're fishing the Detroit River for walleye, silver bass. Super excited, and I hope we catch some fish today. Let's see how the day goes. Oh, just the excitement in the air when you see the boats. When you see the boat, when you see the truck, your heart just, oh! Check it out. Check out the rig that's waiting for me in Windsor. Alright, Sole, we're doing this. We're making a YouTube video and we're gonna be famous. As simple as that. Right?
Yes,
let's go Twim. Beautiful Windsor. There's a rig. There's a boat launch. There is the Detroit River.
That's the thing with you two people, they do little work, just talk a lot.
Well, we also catch a lot of fish, so
I hope you catch
we also catch the most fish. Alright, let's get to work. They're calling us out. They're calling us out. So, without further ado, let's get this boat in the water. Boat's in the water. Trolling motors dropped. We're ready to fish. you got the front of the camera here. All right, Mike. Everybody here blowing like Shah Rukh Khan.
Keep your eye on the grass.
First cast, lucky casts. Bismillah.
Everything I gotta do.
Me bring everything up.
Everything I gotta do.
That's the challenge. Nobody's eating until we got fish in the boat. So, still you look a little worried. He's probably gonna be the last man to eat. If he's gonna eat at all today. He might have to start fasting, but so yesterday I went to sail. I spoke to the fellow there and he promised me that these two guys right here is gonna catch me while I hunt.
It's just beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful. It's a work of art. Alright, here's the rig. We got the whole gang. There's hundreds of boats out on the Detroit River today. Let me see your lure. Let me see it.
I call it the pinky.
The pinky. He calls it the pinky.
You wanna know why?
Why? Let me see what you're fishing with, Suleiman. No, I was gonna ask you what happened to your last lure. What happened to the last setup? This man teased my setup and lost its grass. He didn't even tie it properly. And now he lost his minnow. Oh Allah. This guy ain't catching fish today. You know what? We should just vote him off the boat. Don't waste time.
I could actually go for a swim, yeah. It's fine.
Alright, show us how to hook a minnow. Alright, we got professional Suleiman. How to hook a minnow.
It's very live. You see it jumping around?
Yeah.
You take it?
Mine in heaven. Live in heaven.
You hook it right into the skull, and you let it go all the way through like that, and let it hang.
Show
like
us
this.
a look.
So now it should be swimming like this, you know.
All right. What? Professional. Alright, alright. First cast in the Detroit River. Try to look. Hope for the best. Sully! What's that, Sully? Tell me something. Yeah?
Bring it in.
Yeah. Are you hooked?
There's a fish.
Left, sorry, left. Left, sorry, left hand side.
You got it?
Yeah.
Here. It's a walleye! Oh my god! Sully, what's the?
Oh my god!
Wow.
Look at the size.
Wow! Okay, let's hear it from the pro. Let's hear it from the pro.
It is a
It's about patience.
Patient, mashallah. Sully with the walleye. He thought he got snagged. He thought he got
I
snagged.
was pretty sure it was a fish the entire
He thought he
time.
got snagged. Oh my
I got you
god.
a fish to take out a photograph.
Where is it?
We got fish in the boat, boys.
Guys, I did not
Wait,
think I was
wait.
snagged anytime with this.
So they have no point in time to get a fish. I keep telling you, you got a fish.
Like, you know how long it's been since I caught a fish?
Lost your touch.
So all you gotta do is don't overfish and left it around and get a fish.
Yeah.
I'm in the magic movie doing nothing about this man.
I will teach you guys.
Just pretend you got snagged.
Okay guys, okay
And then
guys.
you're good.
Okay, every man in the water.
No, mark it. You gotta mark it on the GPS.
There is fish.
No, this one is a hub. In the middle
There
of
is
nowhere. Mark
fish.
it as him.
When there's one, there could be more than one. So
Target fish. Hey, that's
we got a
the
second
target
fish on the boat. Let's take a look.
Doesn't have to tap water, no.
Alright, we're moving to a next spot. Sully, tell us where we're going by. Tell us where we are going. Give us the update.
We're going 2 knots north towards.
Oh man, to me like everybody out here say, once you see other people, go next to them.
Within the distance, you can.
Show us the walleye rig.
Okay.
Give us a rundown. Give us a rundown.
Okay, so you have the pink jig, which is about
It's a jig head.
3 pounds.
What? What?
It drops all the way to the bottom really fast. It
And
looks
it pulls
small.
the whole boat.
It looks small, but it's not, because it's a special type thing.
Yeah,
You see, this lure is special though, because it can actually swim. Look at that.
We're going back in for toilet break. There's like unlimited amount of people fishing over there.
To that thing there, okay? And then you cut, but you're not using don't use a heavy one like that. You use a 1/4 ounce or something with a twister tail. Cast it out and bring it in.
Yeah, I have lots of that.
What?
Just for fishing sakes.
We've been up north and everything.
Yeah.
Cannot get better than
I believe you to a
Lake Erie,
200%.
Lake Erie and Detroit River.
Really?
Can't get better.
So the plan is we're going for silver bass. Right, Sully? We're going for silver bass. These guys got fed up with walleye, so we're gonna try and get some excitement, get some silver bass, get some topwater action, get some lure action, and then
We hit the walleye.
we hit the walleye again.
With
There we
the
go.
real strategy this time.
Yes, we got a real fisherman that literally rigged his rod. You know, he got that touch. The man pulled up 10 walleye today. 10 walleye, not even using one piece of worm, all lure. So, you know, I'm feeling all right. I'm feeling pretty confident that, you know, there's gonna be some more walleye in the boat later on today. Inshallah. Inshallah. Let's ride. Sorry, Bina. I'm gonna have to rob you.
Of my seat?
Yeah. You see fish?
What's on the right in there? Come on.
Go back then. Go back.
Must have a hole in the tank in this area. No discharge. Oh, you can't discharge it in cycle.
Fishing on the Detroit side of the Detroit River. You know, like an Americana. So let's catch some American walleye. What are we using? This is like a fly. Here's your drop. Here's the edge of the weed bed. Yes. Go in deeper a little bit. On the edge of the weed there. Fish on.
You complicated this fish here, buddy.
All the way down the bottom bounty.
Change of plan. So we started eating lunch a little early. Every man Jack is starving. Lunchtime on the boat. It's always a festival. It's always a feast. Fried chicken wings on the water with honey garlic sauce. You know, it's a little lunchtime snack. Shoo! Peppers out here.
Alright, don't get a smaller one.
Oh, it's a feast.
Okay, you gotta put this down now.
Oh.
Control. This is bone. This is half cut. You want a balta?
Here comes the wave. Suleiman. Show the camera, man. Okay, so this is fish caught, what, last year? No? Last week. Fresh fish caught 2 weeks ago. The catch today will sponsor the trips next week.
Yo, I think it's so good.
Give me a bite, let me see. That looks like KFC. Bismillah, bye. Whoa. MashaAllah. Here's our pro fisherman, our professional fisherman. And we're off to our next fishing location. We might take a spin through downtown Windsor, but take a look at the Ambassador Bridge.
She'll go back and breathe.
They say the fishing is better after the prayers, so we're going back to up. Alright, we'll see you guys at the marina. It's beautiful Windsor, Ontario. There's a whole whack of people on the shore there fishing. Alright, Solomon, what are we up to? We just had our little break, half an hour break, and we're back out. We're going back out for round 2. So he said we don't need luck, we got skill. Alright, Allahu Akbar. Anyways, so we've reached a new spot. And this, according to Pan over there, he says the fish are wilding over here. Let's roll.
Today.
Holy! You got that? Yeah. This way? Suleiman! Look at this. Yes, sir!
We're back in the US.
Alright.
Where by? Hey.
Alright, sun is getting low. We are back to the walleye trigging. This guy should do the trick. Alright, Sully, what's the situation? Every boat around us is pulling up walleye like it's nobody's business, except
My crew.
except one boat in this lake. We can't get it, we can't figure it out. We got every color of bait. We just cannot pull up a walleye for our lives. Finally get a next fish over there. These guys are pulling up non-stop. We're gonna keep trying fishing next to this barge.
Maybe the man in the barge gets one.
Man, check out the sky. Shoot. It's gonna be a nice sunset. Finally, one walleye.
No, two.
Oh, I mean, for me. One walleye for me.
Barely biting.
MashaAllah. Alright, guys, I'll tell you the trick. Progress update. The sun is gone. Well, I think this is quite the fish we got here today.
No, you make joke with me. Help pull out that. It's a whole like middle spin.
One full cooler of fish and a sweet looking walleye. Oh my god. Alright folks, the boat is packed up. We're out of the marina. In fact, we are on our way to some shawarma spot. The fishing scene for the day on Detroit River in Windsor, Ontario is over. Today was a sick day fishing. Detroit River, walleye, sheephead, silver bass, rock bass, smallmouth bass, perch, literally everything. We got everything. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys